Hey, what's up, guys? Figured I'd bring you in here. There's a bad echo. This is gonna be my new man cave type deal. So I'm gonna do all my gaming and all my editing is gonna be in here. I know you guys are jealous of the sweet handprints, but that stuff's all gonna get taken care of. We're gonna repaint this. We're thinking like a gray, and then that one being like a matte purple or something. And look at this. Excuse me, we're just outside. Those sweet stars. So, yep. And then we're gonna get a rug for in here. Let's see, all the dogs have been coming in here when we didn't have any carpet, sneaking in here at nighttime, and they would poop on the floor and we wouldn't notice it right away. It'd stain the floor, so we're gonna get a little bit of a rug and put in here. That'll kind of absorb some of this noise too. But what do you think?
Sounds good.
There's Mia. You gonna make a grand entrance? Oh, look at that entrance. Look at that. Woo! Oh, there's Ivy. I'll see you guys later. see what you've done so far.
Hey.
All that. It's just a skim coat is all it is. It's I'm putting on real light because I'll go over it again with another coat. And it'll be really smooth. Take this
For an old house.
For an old house, yeah. You know, this is plaster. So we don't really want to take that down. And it's got all these cracks and peeling and bubbling. So we're just taking some joint compound like you would use on drywall and just doing a light coat. I've never done this before. So it's a weird process to me. So I'm getting it done. I don't know if it's the greatest thing in the world, but it's getting done.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. What's up, guys and gals? We had just put the second coat on and it's looking really good. Like, it's pretty smooth. I know it looks terrible, but it's really smooth. About as smooth as I can get it for not being a professional. And then I touched at the ceiling. Ceiling had cracks. So all in all, it's coming together pretty good. Now I just gotta wait for that to dry, then we can do a wet sand with sponges. And they'll make it like really, really smooth. It'll get all those big ridges and stuff off, if there's any. I mean, I kind of scraped it, so there wouldn't be any. But I think that's the final step, is just to do a wet sand, just to kind of smooth everything down. And then she has to go and start painting. I'm not good at painting. This whole floor would be covered in paint. So she does it. So, and let me know what you guys think. That wall's gonna be like a matte purple, and we had this wall, remember that wall in Eagle Grove House that we did the X's, and it kind of made it look like it had a texture to it? I wonder if we should try that.
It was a special kind of paint.
Oh, that's right. My eyes are watering in here. So I'm gonna get it out of here. So we'll catch up next time. Update. We're starting to paint. B is on the trim. No paint or tape for her. And I did the ceiling. Here's some spots where you can see where that's the original color of the ceiling compared to now. So, getting something done. These walls turned out pretty good. They're nice and smooth. So, pretty good. Ivy's guarding the paint. because we won't tie a paintbrush to her tail, so she's pouting. Alright, talk to you guys later. Baby. Hey. Looking at dogs and fish eyes is pretty cool.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, guys? Got a new lens. It's kind of a fish eye, but what do we got here? We're going on a new adventure, so we're doing something different now. We are going to be, as soon as I can open this box, you'll see. Cool. All right, let's get this box open. Oh, look at that. Get one of these out. Those are flatbed straps. We are going flatbedding. That's right. We are no longer going to be hauling grain. We are going to be flatbedders now. So I start next week. Oh, that's my fish tank. I don't know if I don't know if you can see it very well or not. But that's what we're doing. We're going to do some flatbedding. Going hauling drywall, whatever else you can fit on a flatbed, lumber. Let me pause this TV, it's kind of loud. There we go. And then something else arrived. My computer arrived again. I had a bad motherboard, so they built me a brand new computer. Oh, we'll unbox that too. This is from CLXgaming.com. They're not a sponsor. I'm not big enough to get sponsors yet. Although, thank you for everybody. You viewed my last video. Right now it's sitting at like 50 views about the Nebraska trip. I appreciate everybody watching that. That's really nice. Thank you. Keep sharing, liking, subscribing. Hopefully my videos are getting better. That's the goal. And this will help. Because my little MacBook Pro, it does not like editing videos, and it takes forever to get it prepared to get on the internet or processing the video or whatever it's doing. Some wizard magic. We will lift this out here. Oh, tore it. That's fine. These guys are out of Kansas City, and they will, when you first buy your computer, they'll let me get the knife. They will send you updates on your build and how it's going. They'll send you photos. They bench test everything, so you get like the best performance out of your computer. And there's more options. You can get everything overclocked, or I mean, you choose your components that you want in this thing, and you go through and select whatever you want. If you're on a budget, you can get a budget build. I was on a budget. But I still got a great computer, as you can see. It's white. I might have to sit you guys down for a second here. That's what it looks like for right now. Oh, Ivy's checking it out. We'll get back at you once we get it all booted up, and I'll let you guys see all the lights and all the cool things.
Don't tell me.
All right, guys and ladies, we're working on our room here. Oh, dang. And my wife just mopped the floor, and it looks amazing. There's a bad echo in here. That'll change. But I got my guitars on the wall. There's still one missing right there. I got my TV mounted today. She's got to clean that paint up there. We got the cable ran, that's all gonna get hidden. And we got our purple wall. But yeah, it's looking great. She did a good job. Really good job. Look at that floor. And I'm making footprints all in it. But yeah, it's looking good. Here's what we did for our Cat 5 cable. See that white piece there? That's paintable, and we did that down behind all her Bailey stuff, and then down there and through
Our bedroom.
and into our bedroom. She didn't want to be on camera, but there she is. Fish eye, but that's what the room looks like now. It looks good. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry about the messy hair. Looks terrible. Just got a package in the mail. Here's what it is. So, I'm gonna unbox this with you guys. It says refrigerate upon arrival. I already know what it is, but those are good ice packs. I usually keep those and put them in my lunchbox. I refreeze them. Let's put the box down there. Let's open this up. I'll put you guys up here. It is called Zepbound. It is a weight loss injection. It's kind of like Wegovy or Ozempic. This one is through the VA, since I'm a veteran, and since I am fat, I'm trying to lose weight, and I'm going through this move program that they got going on. So they decided that I can get on these injections. So that's kind of exciting. So hopefully I'll be losing some weight here, which would be really nice. That's all I got for this video. Also, I'll include this in on my. I'm also gonna show you guys my new office. I have Farm Simulator going on right now, but that's my new office. Pretty nice. It still needs a few things, but I'm saving up my money to buy a couple things. Like, I'm gonna do some lighting around the room. I'm gonna put some shelves up. I'm gonna put my Xbox in the floating shelf down there. I still have another guitar to put up. I want to get like a chair, a smaller chair for over here, so I can watch my TV. Yeah, it's a nice little office. I want to thank my wife for helping me do that. But that's all I got for now. Have a good one.